Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the SoundPEATS Life Classic Wireless Earbuds ENC Noise Cancelling Technology, and that's our earphones with AI-Enhanced calls. 10mm drivers, lightweight, and it comes with Bluetooth 5.2. These are headphones with microphone and game mode, touch control, and a total running time of 22 hours. Crystal clear calls with AI-Enhanced Noise Cancellation. The SoundPEATS Life Classic Wireless Earbuds features Artificial Intelligence (ENC), and ENC is environmental noise cancellation technology that separates human voice from the background noise for a superior call experience, really. Even in noisy environments, we can be sure of clear call quality. And we have Immersive Premium Stereo Sound in this price range. With 10mm dynamic drivers and advanced audio processing technology, the SoundPEATS Life Classic Wireless headphones here delivers incredible high-quality sound with powerful bass, stunning treble, and clear mid-range audio. And ultra lightweight and comfortable fit, of course. The SoundPEATS Life Classic True Wireless earphones weigh only 3 grams each, and the ergonomic design provides a comfy and secure fit that stays in place during exercise, perfect for long listening sessions, and seamless connection and easy pairing, as you can see. This advanced Bluetooth 5.2 chip ensures a fast, stable, and reliable connection without any distortion. Once paired, the earphones automatically enter into pairing mode when we open the charging case again. So we're ready to go right out of the box. And we have a game mode and a long battery life with a latency as low as 80 milliseconds. In game mode, the SoundPEATS Life Classic Sports earphones provide audio and cinematic synchronization that helps us accurately identify sound positions and react faster in mobile games. And the SoundPEATS Life Classic running earphones offers up to 6 hours of playback on a single charge and up to 22 hours of total playback time with 3 additional charges in the charging case, which is included. We can connect them easily as shown in that video here. We get them out of the box, then we go to the smartphone, go to the Bluetooth options and make the pairing mode. Then we choose the SoundPEATS Life Classic and we pair them. Job's done. If we go to reset them, we place the earphones back into the charging case and make sure that they are correctly placed. With the case lid open, we press and hold the button on the bottom of the charging case for 10 seconds until the bottom red light and the white light flash twice alternately. The earphones are activated successfully after this process. And then we can identify the left earphone and the right earphone easily because they are marked with it, R and L. And we adjust the earphone to fit our ears easily. And then we can control it by using our fingers because it is touch controllable. On the left earphone or earbud, we can push 1.5 seconds. That means previous song. We push 3 times. That means enable or disable the gaming mode. 2 times play or pause. And 1 time for volume down. On the right side, 1 time for volume up. 2 times for play and pause, 3 times for voice assistant of your smartphone, and then 1.5 seconds to play the next song. Really cool. We can power on it easily, automatic. Open the charging case. Manually, we press and hold the multifunction button for 15 seconds with the earphones off. And power off automatic, we place the earphones back into the charging case and close the lid. And if we go to do that manually, the earphones turn off automatically within 5 minutes of power on without connection. Yeah, but we can make an manual way too. That means we press and hold the multifunction button for 10 seconds with the earphones on. Then it will power off. Easy peasy, isn't it? And we have an LED indicator light. If the red light flashes for 3 seconds on the battery life on the charging case means less than 10%. The yellow light flash for 3 seconds, 10 up to 50%. The green light flash for 3 seconds, over 50%. And the green light flash slowly for 2 seconds, more than 80%. That's easy. That's the battery life. And of course, we can recharge it by using our AC adapter of our smartphone, for example, because we connect the charging case to a Type-C charger, or we connect it to a power bank, or we connect it to a computer or a laptop or a notebook, or what everything is possible to connect it because it's USB-C. If the earphones stay idle for an extended period, we charge them at least every 3 months to prevent the battery from being damaged, please. But then everything is fine. And we have different silicon pads for different ear channels of yours. We have small, medium, and large one. We can remove them from the earbuds and we can place it on it to make a better, very comfortable thing. These are easy and this looks great and it makes a good sound, and because they comes from the SoundPEATS, and the SoundPEATS make really cool headsets, and they are gained up each season, makes new one, a better one, and this year is a really lightweight device. These are the SoundPEATS Life Classic Wireless Earbuds with ENC noise cancelling, earphones with AI-enhanced calls, and 10mm drivers, and they are really lightweight. And comes with Bluetooth 5.2. These are headphones with microphone and game mode and touch control with a total running time of 22 hours. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun sun!